Yeah, man, bless up everybody on the Wednesday morning, yeah, man. Hope everybody doing well, you see it. Yeah, man, we just keeping an update with Dewey and Queenie, you see me? Yeah, man, right, so Queenie stand upside of Dewey like and son, I say, yeah. Sure, welcome back our son home, you see it. You know, like your son go work for a long time in the college or the overseas and he just forward. Yeah, man, mommy decide and son, I make sure, yo, long time no see, but yo. After them relationships, I don't know, them have to know for work on it, you see it. You don't know if I see Queenie stop alive from the other day. You know, say I do it forwarding back. You don't know, but Queenie her daughter birthday, you see it. And do it there, you see it. So them just they are going to enjoy themselves and are going chill back and know, so no fun I go bash Dewey and saying shouldn't forward back in, you see it. And don't know enough youth are going to say I'm a clown and thing, you see me, but you don't know. Doing them plan to leave, still not do it, just can't take the pressure of social media and then look at things, then look at airport video. I don't know, but see me, I wanna go back still now. Yeah, man, I not tell no lie, nobody now go this my mother and this me absurd no way, you see it and through papers and thing and you think when you love me I go stay. No, you don't disrespect me if you say yo, me I go there around you and try to treat me like a clown, you see me? And I paint a bad picture for me every day, yeah, and your fans them and anything. I just come my ways, you see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know, do we know what you want in a life, you see me? And you need him papers and you don't know Queenie will have him passport, so no matter when you have to go back to Queenie, you see it. Yeah, man, so yo, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it from you new around here. Yeah, man, I don't know the returning viewers know the thing we have to do already still, man. Just go and drop a like and leave a comment before you go. You see me? Yeah, man.
Ready? Happy 22 birthday, and I get 22 years ago. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. God, stop while I got you. Happy birthday. Third daughter, which is my fourth child, out of 5, blessed love me, a lady like that. Rolling. Happy birthday. Oh, mama, the family that one. Wait a minute, let me put it over. Wait, I'm so my hat, baby. We love the acne, yes, we love the happy birthday. Woo! Again, makeup. Wake your rise and shine with makeup. At 7 o'clock I'm on this day. You know, so I'm there from 6. Early bird catch the most firm. Ladies, best blush, best addition. Best blush addition. Blushing! Morning.
Swag no drop, but forget well.
I'm a black husband alone, and when I vent, you know, back up off of my husband.
Who gonna beat me? You? You can't fight.
No, can you kill it me? Can you kill it me? No, man. Oh, no, come near my what? No, passing a place with my husband. For me, and I'm a pastor, you pray for me. I pray I dare keep the demons and the devil away like you offer my name. No feel like so when you did that call my name, I have people put them near pray for me. Me and my prayer worship of them, I pray for me. I know if you anger my Bible. Me know if you angry and bad, but one day I want in my room. Yeah, me can go down on my knee. So when you did that, linger up on my name. Girl, me say you never come with Barry and me put you beside Barry yesterday too. You out of order. Leave me name alone, lady. Come off of my name. You know doing never there me, but you know want come make drama and problem of people here. They didn't know what the boy did there all along. But I know mother day so with me. Cause me tell him yesterday, Dewey is my friend. Both on WhatsApp and Instagram. And you can take that away. Made think you're mad yet? Wait till Dewey moving, cause me not irony moving. Me not irony moving. You're going to see this? You better make sure you have water side of you. Paracetamol side of you, and it's something you're inhaling in your nose. That's
Babe, if I'm come here, I realize you're not saying nothing. How are your name? Tell me your name.
Brittany.
Eh?
I said my name Brittany.
So I saw Intense and was the only person in the car who knew who he is.
Get me your mark. Get
happy 22 birthday, and I get 22 years ago. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. God, stop while I got you. Happy birthday. So my third daughter, which is my fourth child, out of 5, blessed love, beautiful lady like that. Round happy birthday. Oh, mama, the family that has. Let me put it over. Where I'm from, baby. We love the atmosphere. Yes, we love the happy birthday. Woo! Blush it again. Makeup. Wake your eyes and shine with makeup. At 7 o'clock, I'm on it. So you know, some day here from 6. Early bird catch the most. Ladies, best blush, best addition, best blush addition. Blushing. Morning.